Good afternoon. I'm Alex Brower with TrueDoor Property Management, and I am at 21 Hinterland in Ladera Ranch. This townhome is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,250 square feet. You enter into the ground level and you have indoor washer and dryer and a little office nook area and a linen closet. We have our attached 2-car garage. And then we'll head upstairs. This property has hardwood floor throughout, brand new carpet, fresh paint. Here's our first bathroom, the little half bath on the main floor. Enter to an open living space. We also have plantation shutters throughout and a TV wall mount. Head into the kitchen. We have Whirlpool appliances, granite countertops. Lots of cabinet space. Off of the main area, we do have a little deck, patio. Perfect to sit out there with your morning coffee. And then we'll head upstairs. The 3rd floor has 2 master suites. A little bit of storage. The first bedroom over here. We got a walk-in closet. And its own bathroom. Shower tub combo. The second room here. A little bit bigger closet. And then its bathroom. This property is in a little community. It has a pool, jacuzzi, clubhouse, parks, lots of different amenities. So again, this is 21 Hinterland in Ladera Ranch. If you are interested in this property, please visit our website at www.truedoorpm.com. Go to our rental search, type in 21 Hinterland. My name's Alex, and I would love to help you get into this property. Have a good day.